As the drone glides above Italy's mist-shrouded hills, an impossible vision begins to emerge, a mansion that seems to defy existence itself. Hidden deep within the folds of the forest, its sharp geometry glows softly through the fog, like a whisper from another world. No roads lead here, no voices echo, only silence, symmetry, and mystery prevail. The structure appears to breathe with the land, concrete flowing into rock, glass dissolving into green, as if nature itself conspired to conceal it. From the sky, it feels timeless, neither ancient nor futuristic, but something beautifully in between. It was built to vanish, yet it commands attention. It was meant to hide, yet reveals the essence of art. This is no ordinary home. It is an enigma carved from architecture, a living dream where solitude meets imagination, and every reflection tells a story untold. Welcome to Italy's most mysterious mansion, a masterpiece suspended between shadow and perfection. Step inside, and even time seems to hesitate. The world outside fades into silence as the living room unfolds like a dream without boundaries. Vast glass walls dissolve the line between architecture and wilderness, inviting nature itself to enter. Each piece of furniture stands with sculptural poise, illuminated by shifting rays of sunlight that drift across marble and steel like passing thoughts. Every texture speaks in whispers: oak, stone, metal, alive, deliberate, and hauntingly quiet. You don't just observe the landscape, you merge with it. The space feels aware, almost conscious, as if the mansion is quietly watching you in return. This isn't just a room, it's a meditation in form and light. Here, luxury becomes restraint, and beauty emerges from precision. You begin to understand, this mansion wasn't designed for comfort. It was designed for contemplation. Beneath the mansion's quiet grace lies a secret, a subterranean world where motion sleeps. The gallery glows softly, its floor a mirror of liquid steel reflecting the silent beauty of power. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Maseratis stand side by side like relics of a mechanical dynasty, their bodies sculpted in light and shadow. The air hums with stillness, carrying the faint scent of fuel and history. Every curve, every reflection feels deliberate, a balance between precision and passion. This isn't a garage, it's a sanctum, a cathedral of engineering where engines are not driven, but revered, where speed has been frozen in perfection. Here, horsepower is not about noise, it's about presence. Each car, a monument to human ambition, waiting patiently in the hush of luxury. Beneath the mansion's calm exterior beats a hidden heart, the vault of velocity. At the heart of the mansion lies the business suite, a sanctum of vision and control. A sculpted titanium desk anchors the room, facing the vast valley beyond, where sunlight fractures across glass like data in motion. Holographic projections.
This merger is critical for our expansion.
I understand the stakes, but their terms are unacceptable.
We've reviewed the quarterly reports, and the numbers are very promising.
That's excellent news. I'm glad our strategy is paying off. We've analyzed the market trends, and I believe this strategic shift will position us for significant growth in the next quarter. I completely agree. The data supports it. I told you this would happen.
We don't know that for sure yet.
Above the valley, tranquility unfolds like a living dream. The master suite seems to hover in air, wrapped in glass that holds both sunrise and twilight within its frame. A golden glow drifts from the suspended lights above, brushing softly against marble and linen. The bed, poised in perfect balance, becomes the center of calm, a place where time forgets to move. Curtains sway with the rhythm of the wind, carrying whispers of cedar and stone. Nothing here demands attention, yet everything commands awe. The design speaks in silence. Every surface, every texture crafted to evoke peace. Outside, the horizon breathes. Inside, the soul listens. This isn't merely a bedroom. It's a sanctuary of stillness, a dialogue between light and space. Here, rest is not sleep, it's transcendence. Descend into the hidden core of the mansion, a sanctuary carved from silence and light. The spa shimmers in tones of gold and amber, where steam drifts like breath and water hums softly beneath glass floors. Reflections ripple across smooth stone, merging the physical and the spiritual in quiet perfection. Every element feels alive. The warmth of the air, the rhythm of flowing water, the hush that seems to slow time itself. This isn't a space for relaxation. It's a ritual of renewal. Each drop, each flicker of light feels deliberate, designed to dissolve the world beyond these walls. Here, serenity isn't found, it's created. The mansion exhales, and so do you. You don't escape life in this place, you return to it. The dressing suite unfolds like a private gallery, a symphony of light, texture, and quiet motion. Endless wardrobes glow softly, each garment presented as if it were art suspended in time. Silk, cashmere, and leather shimmer beneath concealed lighting, their reflections weaving gold through glass. Drawers slide open without a sound. Mirrors shift to perfection, and the air carries a quiet confidence, the atmosphere of creation itself. This isn't a dressing room. It's an atelier of identity, where fashion transcends fabric and becomes philosophy. Here, elegance is not worn, it's embodied. It's not about the clothes you choose, but the story they choose to tell about you. This isn't a kitchen. It's a symphony of steel and flame. Polished chrome surfaces gleam beneath soft light, while concealed technology moves in silent precision. Every gesture, the cut, the stir, the simmer, feels rehearsed yet alive, like choreography performed for the senses. Heat and design blend seamlessly, turning culinary craft into pure expression. Here, food isn't just prepared, it's composed. Every flavor, every movement, every spark is a meditation on perfection. This isn't a kitchen. It's a symphony of steel and flame. Polished chrome surfaces gleam beneath soft light, while concealed technology moves in silent precision. Every gesture, the cut, the stir, the simmer, feels rehearsed yet alive, like choreography performed for the senses. Heat and design blend seamlessly, turning culinary craft into pure expression. Here, food isn't just prepared, it's composed. Every flavor, every movement, every spark is a meditation on perfection.